We're gonna do some blender. Alright? This is some peanut, okra, and octopus. Okay?
Good.
We're gonna put it in the blender. Looking nice, isn't it?
Lovely.
Yeah. Alright? So we got other stuff with it now. We got cinnamon, just a little bit. Very cool. And we got some vanilla. Just a little tip.
So what's the benefit of this drink?
Good for man overall. Man strong back, you know. A little nutmeg. Alright, just a little bit in it.
Okay.
Very cool. I put a finger of banana.
To make it creamy.
Yeah, creamy, and then we still got some pasta out here. Alright. We already poured it out, so we're gonna pop it in.
Very good.
Gonna pop it here. Alright. So now we got some other stuff that we use, like a Jamaican thing.
Yes.
Alright, some suppergen.
So this is like a Jamaica tradition?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my mother, she feed me for it, you know.
That's good.
That's why we can't make so much baby, and if most times the mama already think you can't make baby as a man, these are the stuff you need to drink for your back to build you.
Okay.
Up to the time, so we make 4 girls. Alright, and we got the suppergen because we can't get the original one.
The Irish mash.
The Irish mash. We can't get the original one, so we buy the tin one. You know the best, but come on now. You can't get better than this. Alright? And toss it up in there. Toss it up in there, babe. Yeah, we gotta mix it up. So Christmas, New Year. Drink. Alright? And we got some
Linseed.
linseed. We got it in the powder, but it's fine. It's a little bit. Now go to the back, you know.
And most of these these seeds, they're like traditionally from Jamaica or what?
Yeah, Jamaican family.
Okay.
Most Jamaican, you know,
They use it?
use it.
Okay.
Yeah, we got like a secret ingredients one here. We're not gonna tell you guys the name. You're gonna be in the description. Alright. Alright, so the good old thing, all Jamaica we talk about it all the time. We dragon. So we spitfire. Alright, so we gotta definitely need something like this. Some people use Guinness, little mother says, you know what I mean? But, you know, for me, I use what I got. Alright? To save some for myself too.
Yeah.
Okay, spitfire. Little milk, thin milk, condensed milk. To get
Just
it
sweeten.
sweetened.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. I think you're fine.
Okay, so now you're gonna blend?
You're gonna blend out, yeah.
Okay.
I use the word, you know. Gotta come up good and nice.
Yeah.
We got a little Irish cream, rum cream, Baileys or whatever you guys would want to call it. A little creamy flavor.
A lot of stuff inside.
Yeah, it's good for you, you know. Nature-wise, you know what I mean. When we were kids, we grew up on it. From baby days. It was in Jamaica now. We could use some Sago, you know, but now we can't get the Sago. You know what I mean? God must impossible to get it. Alright, cool. Alright, and we're gonna tip a little bit in it. Not a lot, but
I think you should just pour that out.
sure, okay.
Yeah.
Sure, I want to make some later.
It's finished.
Yeah. Alright, so we're done with this. Now one's gonna come over here, so that room gonna get some. That little more nice, get more flavor.
Okay, so now we're gonna blend, right?
Yeah, we're gonna blend it in 1 second. Nutmeg. We call it something making in Jamaica.
Okay.
You could touch it up.
Cinnamon.
Alright, cool.
Okay, so now we're gonna blend.
We're gonna blend right now.
Okay, so we'll be back with the finished product.
Yeah.
Okay?